Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Dear children, look at these pictures. What are these? These are fruits and these are vegetables. Very good. Now, can you guess what is this? Yes, this is a seed. Seed is the small, hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. So, dear children, today we are going to understand chapter 5 Seeds and Seeds of your book Looking Around. Children, in this introductory video, we will discuss about what is seed, how it gets sprouted, what is baby plant, what is baby root, and what is cotyledons. Let's start. Gopal was waiting for his Mausi's family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then, his mother called out, Gopal, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 small bowls of chana. She was going to his Bua's house and would return only in the morning. Gopal was waiting for his Masi's family to visit them. गोपाल अपनी मासी की फैमिली के आने का इंतज़ार कर रहा था. गोपाल अपने कज़न्स के साथ बहुत अच्छा खाना खाएगा और बहुत सारी मस्ती करेगा. वह यही सब मन में सोच रहा था. जस्ट देन हिज मदर कॉल्ड आउट. तभी उसे उसकी मम्मी ने आवाज़ लगाई, गोपाल, बिफोर यू स्लीप, इससे पहले कि तुम सो जाओ, रिमेंबर टू सोक 2 स्मॉल बाउल्स ऑफ चना. 2 कटोरी चना पानी में भिगोना मत भूलना. शी वॉज गोइंग टू हिज बुआज हाउस. वह उसकी बुआ के घर जा रही थी. एंड वुड रिटर्न ओनली इन द मॉर्निंग. और अगली सुबह ही वापस आएंगी. एज ही वॉज सोकिंग द चना, गोपाल थॉट, हाउ विल 2 स्मॉल बाउल्स ऑफ दिस बी इनफ फॉर 8 persons. So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessel. How much did you soak? Asked his mother. How did that happen? Wondered Gopal. Children, as he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, जब वह चना पानी में भिगो रहा था, गोपाल ने सोचा, how will 2 small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? केवल 2 कटोरी चना कैसे काफ़ी होगा 8 लोगों के लिए. So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. तो उसने 2 कटोरी चना और पानी में भिगो दिया. When his mother returned the next morning, जब उसकी मदर वापस आती है अगली सुबह, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the vessels. जो चने हैं ज़्यादा होने की वजह से कटोरी से बाहर आ गए हैं. How much did you soak? तुमने कितने चने पानी में भिगोए थे? यह पूछा. How did that happen? ये कैसे हुआ? यह गोपाल मन में सोचने लगता है. You soaked too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send these to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts, mother said. She tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. You soaked too much. तुमने बहुत ज़्यादा चने पानी में भिगो दिए थे. Anyway, it is good. कोई बात नहीं, यह भी अच्छा है. मैं आधे चने खाने के लिए बना लूँगी और बाकी चनों को स्प्राउट होने के लिए रख दूँगी. I can send this to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts. डॉक्टर ने उनको स्प्राउट्स खाने के लिए बोला है. Because it is very nutritious. She tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth. उन्होंने गीले कपड़े में आधे soaked चने को, भीगे हुए चने को बांध दिया. Dear children, you can see in this picture dry chana. After soaking in water, it swelled up. Let's understand how these chana go doubled. Look at this picture. Here is a dry seed, means dry chana, that after soaking in water, it swelled up or its size increased. Children, you can see dry seeds. It is firm. You cannot chew it. आप आसानी से इसे चबा नहीं सकते हैं. But after soaking it in water, chana got swelled up and its size increased. It become soft. You can easily chew it. आसानी से अब आप इसको चबा सकते हैं. It is because every seed has a cover. See in this picture, and when water cross the cover, then seed becomes soft and its size increased. Let's do an activity. You people have already did this activity in your class 4th. Let's try this. Take some chana and 3 bowls. Put 5 chana in the first bowl and fill it up with water. Now put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton wool in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chanas in it, means 5 chanas. Make sure that the cotton wool or cloth remain wet. Put the same number of chanas in third bowl, but do not put anything else in it, means no water will be there. Cover all the 3 bowls. Let's observe the seeds after 2 days. You will find only the middle bowl seeds has only sprouted. Seeds in the first bowl swelling inside and seeds in the third bowl is as it is. Let's note down. Are the seeds getting air in bowl 1? Answer will be no. क्योंकि सारी सीड्स पानी में डूबी हुई हैं और हवा पानी को पार करके अंदर नहीं जा सकती. In second bowl, seeds are getting air and water, so they get sprouted. And in last or third bowl, there is no water, hence they remain same. There is no change. So we conclude that seeds are sprouted only in bowl 2. In the bowl 2, seeds got both air and water, hence sprouted. On the other hand, in bowl 1, only water was available, hence the seeds couldn't sprouted. In bowl 3, there was no water and no air, hence seeds could not sprouted. Students, why did Gopal's mother tie the chana in a damp cloth? Then answer will be Gopal's mother tied the chana in damp cloth so that seed could get both air and water and easily get sprouted. बच्चों, आपने सोचा है यदि सीड्स को फ्रिज में रखा जाता तो क्या ये स्प्राउट होती? नहीं, क्योंकि पानी व हवा के साथ साथ राइट टेम्परेचर भी ज़रूरी होता है, मतलब कि गर्म टेम्परेचर. फ्रिज में रखने के बाद टेम्परेचर लो हो जाएगा और सीड्स स्प्राउट नहीं हो पाएंगी. Students, now look at this. When you split the whole masoor, you get me masoor dal. But then you cannot sprout me. Can you think why? इसके लिए हमें सीड को खोलकर देखना पड़ेगा. आइए देखते हैं. जब आप साबुत मसूर को स्प्लिट करते हो तो आपको लाल मसूर मिलता है. See in this picture. पर उसके बाद तुम लाल मसूर को स्प्राउट नहीं कर सकते. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. एवरी सीड सेव इनसाइड अ कवर. दैट कवर इज नोन एज सीड कोट. आफ्टर रिमूविंग दैट कवर मीन्स दैट सीड कोट, आई ट्राई टू ओपन दिस सील लिटिल मोर. सी हियर, व्हेन वी ओपन दिस सीड वी कैन सी टाइनी पार्ट्स ऑफ सीड्स. लुक एट हियर, दिस इज अ बेबी लीफ. And this root is baby root. These splitted 2 parts are known as cotyledons. जब आप साबुत मसूर को स्प्लिट करते हो तो आपको लाल मसूर मिलता है, लेकिन तुम लाल मसूर को स्प्राउट नहीं कर सकते. As we all know, seed become plant because seed carry a baby plant inside it. Look at this picture. That keep safe inside by these 2 cotyledons. Think, if I split these cotyledons, will this baby plant be alive? Obviously not, because this baby plant is safe due to these two cotyledons. जब हम साबुत मसूर को तोड़कर अलग कर देते हैं तो उसका बेबी प्लांट भी खराब हो जाता है. That's why मसूर cannot be sprouted. Dear children, I hope you are cleared with basic concept what is seed, how it gets sprouted, what is cotyledon, what is baby plant and etc. We will continue this topic in next video.